the 75th anniversary this year of the Dambusters raid as well, and so much already been told in this RAF 100th year about the exploits of this remarkable machine. Easily the most famous and successful Royal Air Force heavy bomber of World War II, a legend that certainly lives on today, and a contribution made by the aircraft and its crews to the freedom of our nation will hopefully never be forgotten. Around now with the bomb doors open. Carry a maximum bomb load of 22,000 pounds. Its maximum level of heat with a full load of 15,000 feet and still 270 miles an hour. And it can cruise routinely at altitudes above 20,000 feet at a range speed of 200 miles an hour. Even with a full bomb load on board, the aircraft had a range in excess of 1,500 miles. Lancaster's performance, ruggedness, reliability, and to many its sheer charisma endeared to its crews, who were proud to fly this famous Avro. An impressive total of 7,377 Lancasters were built between 1941 and early 1946. Many of us here today perhaps remember the visit of the only other airworthy and flying Lancaster at Greystar Shores here at Airborne a few years ago, when we saw two of them in formation, a quite magical sight. Those aircraft that were built, some 3,500 were lost on operations and another couple of hundred destroyed or written off in various crashes. Many of those that didn't survive were simply scrapped when no longer required. Of course, the Lancaster didn't carry the weight of the night's bombing offensive on its own. It's supported, as you heard again from George Dunn earlier today, such as the Wellington, the other four-engine RAF heavy bombers, the Sterling and the Halifax, as well as medium bomber versions of the twin-engine Avro and Mosquito. The last opportunity on its own to salute the mighty Lancaster. In bomber commands, a total of around 125,000 aircrew served during World War II. 73,700 of them became casualties, either killed, 55,000 of them wounded, shot down, or made prisoners of war. The Commander-in-Chief of Bomber Command, says the Lancaster, I would say this to those who place that shining sword in our hands. Without your genius and efforts, we could not have prevailed, for I believe that the Lancaster was the greatest single factor in winning the war. Now the aircraft reformates back into their standard three-ship format to give you a final flight past and an opportunity to pay tribute to their veterans who had here today, but of course to the many others. There were thousands before them and thousands after them who went into battle day after day against insurmountable odds, and it is for those that we remember and dedicate this final flight past. I hope you'll all put your hands together, give them a wave, whatever you wish to do, whatever it is, hats, coats, ice creams, umbrellas, or just your hands, a salute to these marvellous guys, and of course to the young men who came from the utmost ends of the earth to fly in our defence, to those who never saw their beloved homelands again. We salute you, ladies and gentlemen, the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight.